Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing Flee the Facility. So this is like, my friend said, let's try a new game this weekend. And we found this game, we loved it, we've been like playing it pretty much the whole weekend. So that's been fun. And I really enjoy this game. It's like fun, it makes you not really have that much to talk about, because it takes a while to happen. But it really gets you pumping and like excited, a good way to waste time. Cause like we're probably gonna do one match, but it makes you get like excited and scared. Like makes you super hyped when you see the beast and stuff. You just want to run like, oh, look at me! So this is crazy. And what I really like, it's not at all, cause like you have 5 people in one game, so it's not that like laggy and stuff. I hate stuff so much. By the way, I got Robux, so I upgraded my character. Got my sandals on. But yeah, so this and that. Okay, I think everyone died, so I have to spectate really. But this beast, oh, he's got a cool one. Yeah, I've been saving up for, let's see. I've been saving up for if I go to shop. My cousin said he'll buy the epic pickaxe. I'm like, okay, that's cool, but those aren't that, like the hammers aren't that cool. So, yeah, so I'm gonna go here. Hopefully I can get one of those. Like, these ones are cool. No, I don't really want that one or that one. That'd be hilarious. When, like, people see me, like, surprise. Okay. What I really like with the game is know people, like, badly. Like, literally, they can walk right past you when you're just hiding in something. And it's hilarious. But yeah, this game, there's not that much to talk about. It's really just strategy. Because you want to make sure the beast doesn't kill you. So you kind of gotta hide and, like, listen. So it's a hard game without the sound. So this is gonna be challenging for me since I'm turning down the sound. But actually, I could turn it up. Because there is no, oh sorry, this looks weird, but there is no music, and I won't get copyrighted, so that's good. I saw that. I connected my computer to my TV, so I have to turn up the volume like that. It's weird, I don't like it, but I guess I have to work with it. Okay, let's get under here. We'll call to the secret area. If you guys don't know about this, me and my friend, when we saw it, it's like, is this going to be like a secret parkour place so where we can get money or something? But it's not. It's just a normal little place. I have to just go here, spectate, and my cousin, we were in the same, we were in the same room playing, so like, he'd be spectating it sometimes, and it'd be like, oh, where is this person, or where's that, or where is he? Hide. Just go dead. Oh, his friends just can't be right here. It doesn't say up here if people are. Okay, so that's a computer hacked. You're gonna go save your girl? She's getting wrecked by Bacon Boy. Oh, she escaped. Why? What's up with this Bacon Boy? Looks like he has a sad life. And his name makes him look fat. Oh, there's 2 computers. I've never had a game where there's 2 computers up there. Jeez, bro, run. Run. It's okay, Bacon Boy. He's fat. Here, fall upstairs. No! Boy! No, he got smacked. He fell. Run! Run! Like, fast. Run as fast as you can. That one person playing. One username. Oh, now it says people that are. Okay, well, this is a quick match. Boy, good. Big Boy got skills. Okay. Oh, he got up. No! Don't get wrecked! Bacon Boy's pro! No! Bacon Boy, kill you. Oh, jeez. Bacon Boy! Don't do this! Don't do this, Bacon Boy! No! Why, Bacon Boy? Why? Oh, jeez. Okay. So, I'm going to give you some hints about this other channel that me and my cousin are going to be doing. We're probably not going to be doing that much videos on it, because he's not here all the time. But once we're like, it's just gonna be a scary channel. We're gonna be doing lots of scary games, and that's gonna be fun. So we haven't made it yet. It's gonna be called FNAF Kid. We haven't made it yet. It's just because I don't have time. We've just been playing this game. Like, if you look up here, I'm level 10. That's because we've been just playing this like for hours and hours. So I haven't been getting that much sleep because of this game. But man, it's like fun. But I don't like to play it at night really because it gives me a headache. Because like we're yelling and stuff because he's gonna get us. I'm like, oh my gosh. But I don't really like to be the beast. Like I like to be the beast when there's like people that aren't good at the game or something. But I don't really like to be it a lot. Because people are like sometimes pros. And then they always yell at you because you're a camper. And then they do the same thing to you. So it's stupid. Yeah, people just don't know what to do. Are you guys going for prison? Right here, bro. Oh, I don't want to be prison. Right here. Okay. I hope I'm not the beast, because I was just talking about how I hate to be the beast. Okay, I'm not. I hope Bacon Boy's on our team because he's a Bacon Pro. Usually, I always like to find this purple room because there's always a computer in here, usually. But it's fine. I just don't know. I can never find it, feels like. And I hate when the beast leaves all the time. Like, I'm doing all these computers done, and that's not fair. So not fair, it didn't show me. Yeah. Like, forgot what I was saying. Oh my gosh, I completely forgot. I probably like looking at your screen like, wow, this guy's a noob. Forgot what he's saying so quick. But man, I've been just forgetting. Like, I have so much I want to talk about, so much I want to like do for you guys, but I'm just not really saying it out loud. So it looks like our Bacon Bro. Oh, it's her. She walked right by us. She is a noob. She walked right by us. So wow. Come on, Bacon Bro. Take it, show me. This. Faster. Faster. What I really like about this game, it's never been laggy for me. Like, absolutely never. It's always been a good game, never laggy. And that's what I like about it, because it's hard to find a really good game that's not laggy. It's usually my computer can't handle all that stuff because it's not meant for gaming. It's only meant like download one game on the Mac, Microsoft App Store. So, geez. I'm calling Bacon Bro because like, Bacon Bro. Yeah. Get right here, Bacon Bro. And we walk right past. Okay, I'm gonna get killed. It's okay. Because I'll probably juke that person out like that. I have faith in myself. I really believe in myself that I'm not gonna get killed. But I felt like they updated it and they sped up the hacking time for one person. Because I felt like it's been going way faster. It's like either me leveling up and it gets faster, or they just updated the game because it feels way faster. Because it usually takes forever, and I hate it. So yeah, that's why I never thought filming a video on this. They're hacking a computer most of the time. They can go back, but you just left it in. So that sucks. I hope I don't miss. If I miss, I'm gonna die. Oh. No! Okay, gotta finish hacking. Quick. Don't die. Come on, it's almost done. Come on. No. Okay, I gotta hide. She's gonna kill me. Jeez. Move it! Okay, I swear, if you got me killed, I'm gonna be so mad. Right now, I feel like that person's gonna come in here, kill me. Hide. Hide. Where are they? Okay, we gotta hack this one. Come on, bro, we got this. I have faith in myself. I have faith in us, bro. Hopefully. Come on. Where is it? Fourth Bacon Bros hacking it. Did I just see it? Yep. Yep, that's it. That's the killer. It was literally right there. Oh, jeez. Yes! Get out of here. I'm not going to that door. I'm going to this one. Because I just saw her being there. Okay. Come on. It's right over here. Please say we can escape. This is so scary. Okay, good. We're out. Let's go. Oh, jeez. Come on, Bro. You almost done hacking? Oh, yes, we're all getting out. Go! Woo! I feel so awesome. Okay, we did that. That was a good round. I thought she was going towards the other door. That's why I went there. Okay, I got 26 coins. That's good. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be making more. I'm trying to do more content, like do more videos. It's just with school, coming home, having not that much time because I want to hang out with my family because I love them. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm trying to get the editing. It turns out it costs a little bit more money than I thought. So I'm trying to earn that money, but right now I'm focusing on my gaming, like my keyboard, my headset, my mouse, making sure that's all good, and then I'll focus on some other stuff. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll definitely be making more. Bye!